Potentially harmful microbes are not the only thing on a microscopic level that needs to be dealt with for optimum health these days. We've got to do something about all those free radicals. You've no doubt heard about free radicals, but what exactly are they? Well, a free radical is an unstable compound that your body is exposed to daily. Left without restraint, free radicals can damage healthy cells and are believed to be involved with premature aging and many chronic diseases. In excess, these free radicals can produce harmful oxidation that can damage cell membranes. You've probably seen examples of oxidation in action, like when someone takes a few bites out of an apple and leaves it on the kitchen counter. Because it's exposed to oxygen in the air, the apple turns brown. Free radicals are everywhere and are impossible to avoid. They are a result of everyday living. They can be found in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Tobacco smoke, alcohol, pollution, insecticides, radiation, chemicals in the home or at work, and excessive amounts of sunlight are all prolific contributors to the formation of free radicals. Other causes include a high-fat diet, stress, insufficient sleep, and strenuous exercise. As you can see, these days it's pretty hard to get away from free radicals. And if we're not careful, things can get out of control. The body does produce natural compounds to help fight free radicals, but when free radicals outweigh the body's ability to counter their damaging effects, a state occurs called oxidative stress. Fortunately, we can improve our body's ability to keep free radicals in check with antioxidants. Antioxidants act as cell protectors for our bodies. Antioxidants prevent free radicals from potentially damaging millions of healthy, functioning cells. They do this by donating an electron to unstable free radicals, and in this way, antioxidants neutralize their harmful effects. They can be a real lifesaver. Obtaining a variety of antioxidants through diet is essential to maintaining your good health, like choosing a big, red, juicy, unoxidized apple, or when that's inconvenient, through supplementation. But of all the sources of antioxidants on Earth, which one would you guess stands out above the rest? You got it, acai. Scientific studies have shown that when properly freeze-dried, acai contains higher antioxidant levels than any other whole fruit or vegetable on Earth, 4 to 11 times greater than blueberries. In addition to freeze-dried acai, Monavie utilizes a premium quality acai pulp. This source of acai, once harvested, is processed and frozen within 24 to 48 hours to maintain an optimal level of nutritional content and antioxidant potency. Scientists have constructed a standardized method for measuring antioxidant capacity in fruits and vegetables. It's called the ORAC scale, which stands for Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity. If there was such a thing as a graduate school admissions test for antioxidants, this would be it. Since 1992, the ORAC scale has been a valuable measurement tool for manufacturers to help quantify the health benefits of their food products. If there was such a thing as a graduate school for antioxidants, who do you think they'd be wooing right now? Of course you know. Monavie's freeze-dried acai powder claims an ORAC score higher than any other whole fruit or vegetable tested to date. No brag, just fact. Monavie freeze-dried acai is simply unparalleled in its antioxidant strength, graduating with honors at the top of its class. Many compare ORAC values and believe the higher the ORAC score, the better the product. There are several companies that purposely spike their products with extracts knowing they will test high in an ORAC test. When validating a product's ability to fight free radicals or antioxidant abilities, identifying its ORAC value is just the first step. This first step is accomplished with in vitro testing in a laboratory test tube. In vitro ORAC testing is valid, but it only identifies a product's potential to fight a specific group of free radicals. This is not a true representation of what actually happens in the body. There's more. The second step of validation is to do ex vivo testing, meaning testing of live organisms outside of the body. If results are positive for in vitro and ex vivo testing, the third step is to conduct clinical human research. This type of study demonstrates what is taking place in the body by consuming a particular product. MonaV has completed studies in all three areas of research: in vitro, ex vivo, and clinical. And in all three steps of validation, MonaV has demonstrated powerful antioxidant capabilities. The USDA has not come out with an official statement of their recommended ORAC daily intake. At this time, more research needs to be completed before a recommendation can be made. However, published information on the USDA website suggests that individuals should consume 3,000 to 5,000 ORAC units daily. 4 ounces of MonaV is approximately 4,000 to 5,000 units.